Today's video is sponsored in part by BeeCastle. So if you've been following my channel for any length of time, you know that I'm a huge fan of BeeCastle beehives. Now, they gifted me a hive a few weeks back for me to review. We reviewed it. And let me tell you, this hive is right and tight with dovetail joints heavily wax coated, and they provide you all the frames and everything you need in order to become a beekeeper or to add to your current apiary. Anyways, BeeCastle has something new for 2023, and they've allowed me to have a sample of it so that I can share it with you. Let me show you what it is. Alright, so I know that it's springtime and the bees are flying and the nectar's flowing and the flowers are blooming. And it's no time to be talking about candy boards, but it is the time to talk about candy boards, because if you know anything, that you know that 2023 is also going to get cold again come November, and you're going to have to feed your bees. Well, BeeCastle has provided us with a new candy board this year, and it's just as right and just as tight as everything else they build. You can set your fondant in here, you can put newspaper down, add sugar. Your bees are going to be in great shape. They're going to have food. Now, after you've put your candy board on, well, you've got to keep your bees warm, right? You want to get rid of that moisture, let it wick out of your hive, and make sure you keep the drafts out. Let me show you what else they've got. They've also developed a nice quilt box. Vents on the side, stainless steel. I believe it's stainless steel. Looks good, whatever it is, and I'm sure it's going to work and keep the hive beetles out. That's what I need. But this is tight and right, just like the rest of their hive. It's in great shape, nice dovetail joints, heavily waxed on the inside and out. It's going to protect you from moisture. And it's ready to accept your hive pillow, your burlap, whatever it is that you put in your quilt box. This thing is ready to receive it, and it is going to make sure that your bees are in great shape in the spring of 2024. Well, I hope you enjoyed this look at BeeCastle's 2023 offerings. Now, they've got this and a lot more at their website. The link is in the description below. It's beecastleltd.com. That's beecastleltd.com. You can go there for all of your woodware needs.